is Argel Cota, and my artist name is Argel Cota, which is Arhkota. I'm really happy to be now part of Collision Drumsticks. Really great brand, and it's the thing I like from the drumsticks, it's really solid, and it feels really good, the balance when every time you hit this cymbal or whatever you want to hit. But in this case, it's the drums. It sounds really good. I love it, and I'm really happy to be part of the family. Really well recommended, solid. I'm gonna play a song for you guys, and I hope you guys like it.